In a bustling city, Alex, a passionate activist, rallied for equal rights. "We demand change," Alex shouted, holding a sign that read, "Equality for all." Crowds cheered, inspired by the fervor. One day, Alex met a talking parrot named Polly. "Equal rights for Parrot," Polly squawked, mimicking Alex's tone. Amused, Alex replied, "Sure, Polly, what do you want?" "More crackers," Polly demanded, flapping its wings. The crowd burst into laughter, and Alex declared, "Let's start with crackers for all." And so, the movement for equal rights took flight, one cracker at a time. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.